उप सह संयोजक बंध. How coordinate bond is formed? This is a special type of bond in which sharing electron is given by only one atom. यह एक विशेष प्रकार का बंध है जिसमें साझे के इलेक्ट्रॉन केवल एक ही परमाणु द्वारा दिए जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ओजोन मॉलिक्यूल्स. हाउ ओजोन मॉलिक्यूल इज फॉर्म्ड? In the formation of ozone molecules, 3 atoms of oxygen participated. Oxygen 8 is equal to 2,6. Similarly, second atom, first, second, third. In the outermost shell of each oxygen atom, 6 electrons are present. They requires 2 electrons to complete their octet. This is the first oxygen atom. Here sharing of 2 electrons between first and second oxygen atom takes place. Sharing of 2 electrons between first oxygen atom and second oxygen atom takes place. They complete their octet. This is an example of simple covalent bonding. पहले ऑक्सीजन परमाणु और दूसरे ऑक्सीजन परमाणु के मध्य दो इलेक्ट्रॉन की साझेदारी हुई है. यह एक सरल सहसंयोजक बंध है. After this, these 2 electrons of oxygen atom will be donated by this atom to third oxygen atom. This will be given by this oxygen atom to third oxygen atom. So the structure become like this: O, double bond O, and coordinate bond O. This represents that this is the donor atom and this is the acceptor one. The bond in which sharing of electron is given by only one atom is called coordinate bond. It is represented by arrow. The head of arrow is towards acceptor atom, while the tail is towards the donor atom. Properties. The properties of coordinate compounds is intermediate or in between the properties of ionic compound and the properties of covalent compound. The properties of coordinate compound is in between the properties of ionic compound and ionic or electrolyte compound and covalent compound. For example, physical state. As we discuss, ionic compounds are present in solid form, while covalent compounds are found in liquid or gaseous form. Generally, coordinate compounds are found in solid and liquid state. Second, melting point and boiling point. Ionic compounds have high melting and boiling point, while covalent compounds have low melting and boiling points. While the melting point and boiling point of coordinate compound is intermediate between covalent and ionic compounds. Means जो कोऑर्डिनेट कंपाउंड है हमारे पास में, उनका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट आयनिक से कम होता है और कोवैलेंट कंपाउंड से ज़्यादा होता है. कंडक्टिविटी, they are best conductor of heat and electricity. Solubility, they are less soluble in polar solvent but more soluble in non-polar solvent like benzene, toluene, xylene, alcohol, phenol, cresol. Isomerism, they do not show the phenomena of isomerism. This is all about types of bonding, ionic bonding, covalent bonding, covalent bonding, properties of compounds, ionic compounds, covalent compounds and covalent compounds. Now, we discuss our next topic, overlapping. Overlapping. How we define overlapping? हिंदी में से कहते हैं अतिव्यापन. Partial intermixing of atomic orbital is called overlapping. Partial intermixing of atomic orbital is called overlapping. परमाणु कक्षकों का आंशिक सम्मिश्रण, इससे हम अतिव्यापन या ओवरलैपिंग कहते हैं. Partial intermixing of atomic orbital is called overlapping. Generally, there are following three types of overlapping. Very first, S-S overlapping. In this type of overlapping, half-filled s orbital of one atom overlaps with half-filled s orbital of another atom and forms sigma bond. Example, formation of hydrogen molecules. How hydrogen molecule is formed? Hydrogen, in the formation of hydrogen molecules, two atoms of hydrogen involves. First atom 1H is equal to 1 बराबर 1s1 in box half-filled s orbitals are present. The shape of s orbital is spherical. Hydrogen plus hydrogen is equal to H2 molecules. Half-filled s orbital of first hydrogen atom. This is half-filled s orbital of second hydrogen atoms. They overlaps and formation of sigma bond takes place. Partial intermixing of atomic orbital is known as overlapping. There are three types of overlapping: SS overlapping, SP overlapping, PP overlapping. Here we discuss SS overlapping. In this case, we take formation of hydrogen molecules. How hydrogen molecule is formed? Hydrogen molecule is formed by the combination of two atoms of hydrogen. Hydrogen 1 is equal to 1 means 1s1. Hydrogen 1 is equal to 1 is equal to 1s1. This is the half-filled s orbital of first hydrogen atom. This is half-filled s orbital of second hydrogen atom. Half-filled s orbital of first hydrogen atom overlaps with half-filled s orbital of second hydrogen atom and forms hydrogen molecules. Here formation of sigma bond takes place. Here we take second types of overlapping, that is SP overlapping. In these type of overlapping, half-filled s orbital of first atom overlaps with half-filled p orbital of second atom and forms sigma bond. Example, formation of hydrogen fluoride. How HF molecule is formed? In the formation of HF molecules, one atom of hydrogen and one atom of fluorine is involved. In the box representation, pz orbitals are half-filled. So, half-filled s orbital of hydrogen atom overlaps with half-filled p orbital of fluorine atom and formation of sigma bond takes place. Hydrogen atom, fluorine atom, formation of HF molecule takes place. This is called sp overlapping. Now we discuss third type of overlapping, that is pp overlapping. There are two types of pp overlapping. Number one, coaxial or head-on, and second, sidewise overlapping. At first, we study coaxial overlapping. pp overlapping. Number one, coaxial overlapping. Number two, sidewise overlapping. In coaxial overlapping,